Welcome back to the channel. If you're an Android fan or just love keeping up with the latest in tech, today's video is going to get you hyped because Android 16 is officially right around the corner. That's right. Google has just confirmed that the stable release of Android 16 will be landing on Pixel phones this June, and there's a lot to be excited about. So what's new? Let's break it down. First off, Android 16 is bringing a fresh new look. Google is rolling out its biggest design update since 2014, called Material 3 Expressive. Think bolder colors, a youthful vibe, and over a dozen changes to things like app bars, button groups, and navigation bars. Now, you won't see the full transformation overnight. Google's own apps will keep adapting over the next few months. But if you're curious, there's a beta build dropping later this month that'll give you a sneak peek at what's coming. But design isn't the only thing getting an upgrade. Android 16 is loaded with new features. Photography lovers, you're going to love this. There are new temperature and tint controls for super precise photo editing right in the camera app, plus a hybrid auto exposure system for even better shots. And for all the video creators out there, Android 16 now supports the advanced professional video codec, so you can record in higher quality than ever before. Accessibility is getting a boost too. If you use LE audio hearing aids, Android 16 lets you switch between your hearing aids mic and your phone's mic during calls. Super handy for clearer conversations. And for the techies, Android 16 adds support for the latest Wi-Fi 6, 8, 0, 2.11 AZ standard, making your connections more secure and scalable. Notifications are getting smarter and cleaner as well. The new live update system gives you a minimalist, less distracting way to keep track of things like navigation or food delivery, so you can stay focused on what matters. And here's something really exciting. Android 16 is making Google's Gemini assistant even more powerful. Extensions, now simply called apps, let Gemini help you get things done across Google services like Docs, Drive, Gmail, and Maps, and even some third-party apps like Spotify. Expect this list to grow as the year goes on. If you're a Samsung user, don't worry, you're not left out. Android 16 will start rolling out to Samsung phones later this summer, likely kicking off with a beta for One UI 8, which is already being tested on Samsung's latest flagships. I've actually got the latest beta running on my Pixel 9, and I'll be sharing my hands-on impressions soon. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell so you don't miss it. So, what feature are you most excited about in Android 16? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And let's talk about the future of Android. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.